So you can start with just $20, $50, and you grow it up to $500 or $1,000 using this scalping simple strategy, guys. Okay, I like this strategy. Why? Because you trade with the trend, and also you add it with other conferences like support and resistance, and also fair value gaps. So now here we are going to use a 50 exponential moving average, and we add it with the fair value gaps, guys. So now we can wait for the trend of the market to show us, okay, where the market is trading from. So now you can immediately see here that the market has started trading below our trend line. Okay, now after showing that yes, it has started trading below our trend line, now we shall look for our fair value gaps. Okay, we shall look for our fair value gaps in this trend, right? But here, okay, there is a fair value gap right here. It has indicated to us that we are in a bearish trend. Now we have that fair value gap. We can decide now to enter from that fair value gap, guys, because we are in a bearish trend. Let's wait for the market to gun tap in your fair value gap right there. When it taps there, so you can now risk a trade right there, okay? Immediately after the market coming and tapping your fair value gap, of course, it has given you some bearish confirmations, guys, and you can see that it has moved in your direction, guys. So now you can move with this market because it is going to be creating different fair value gaps. Of course, you can see right here that it has now created another fair value gap. So it has come back to this fair value gap, guys. Remember, we are entering after the market coming back to your fair value gap. Of course, we hold the TP according to your tolerance, okay? And the stop loss has to be above that fair value gap, guys, right? So now, and you wait and you see how the market is moving, guys. So now you can see that the market is moving in your direction, right? After creating that fair value gap, and it has hit our TP instantly, guys. So now you can go on when you are moving with this market. So when you follow these fair value gaps, you will see that the market will always move in your trend if you add it with this moving average, which is a 50 exponential, guys. Okay. So now if you have liked this video, consider subscribing and giving a like to this video.